Welcome to my project Bazaar. Our project title is A Survey of Vision-Based Traffic Monitoring for Road Intersection. Our modified abstract is the accidents at intersections are extremely dangerous and most of them are caused by driver's error. Several projects has been carried out to enhancing the safety of drivers in special context of intersection. In this paper, we providing a overview of vehicle perception systems at the road intersection and the representation related to the data sets. The reader in then give an introduction overview of general vision-based vehicle monitoring approaches. Subsequently, and above all, we presenting a review of study related to the vehicle directions and tracking in intersections like scenario. Regarding intersection monitoring, we distinguish and comparing the roadsides and in vehicle system. Here in our process we going to finding the number of accidents that are caused in the roadside through the which type of vehicle transportations we find out through the for nearly 10 years, and finally we predicting the future year. In our data flow diagram, first of all we choosing the data set of our process, the data set containing the overall state in the India with their information such as the male death and the female death info. After that these are the information that are presented in our data set. Then we applying the pre-processing technique. In that pre-processing technique we removing the unwanted data such as missing letters, underscore. We remove those data, and after that we pass those error-free data set into our process. First we applying the algorithm non-fuzzy clustering, which clusters the data set into the multiple clusters, and after that we clustering the data set, we finding the year-wise deduction of which year containing the high rate of accident and which state having that high rate. We find out through these states are having the high risk in the accident zone. Okay. After that we finding the most of death states, which are the states which is belonging to the topmost death rate. And after that we applying the decision tree algorithm, which is to predicting the future prediction. Here we predicting, for example, if we are choosing 2001 to 2012 based data set, means we going to predicting our 2013 accident zones. Finally we calculating for the percentage result for each year, and we present our result in the performance graph. Thank you. Our project title is A Survey of Vision-Based Traffic Monitoring of Road Intersection. Now we are going to start our demo. First click that label. After that, here we are going to choose our data set. Here we are choosing dataset.csv. After that we are viewing that information that are present in our data set, which containing the state and the year, the cause of the death and the male female details and with their range. Next. Here we are going to applying our pre-processing techniques to removing our unwanted data. Now the pre-processing is completed. After that we loading those informations into our database, and finally we retrieving the main attribute which are relevant for predicting the results. So here we using state, year, cause, male, female, and the total number of death occurring in each state with their corresponding causes. Next, now we are going to process this our data set. After that here we are going to find out in the total death occurring in the each year depending upon the category of causes. After that we predicting the average death rate in the each year, and after that depending upon the average year we clustering the datas. Okay, after that next. Here we cluster the accident results using non-fuzzy based clustering. Already we apply non-fuzzy based clusters. Now we predicting the result through the clusters results. Here, depending upon the state name, it filter out those datas. After that, we finding the results state based accident using non-fuzzy. And after that, here we choosing year, it filtering the total death occurring in 2007 with their belonging to which cluster, and filtering the overall state death rate with the top, and here it filtering the top death rate occurring in Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. After that, in next, here we going to find out the predict the future prediction using decision tree. Here we choosing any one year, it filter the top death rate occurring in our data, and we predicting the percentage result for each year, and finally we predict of the future result also. Here these are the results which are predicted percentage prediction for each year, and we filter out in the future prediction is 7.2. For 2012 it predicts as 5.34%. For future it may be occurred 7.22% through the decision tree algorithm. And we clicking that graph. This graph shows that which year having the which state containing the high number of death rate. Here we comparing for 6 years 2001 to 2006. For Maharashtra is the topmost death occurring state, and after that Tamil Nadu, and then Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. And after that we generating the graph for 10 years. For the 10 years statistical informations, the 2010 getting the most high accident results, and after that we generating the graph with for the death rate result. For 2001 it nearly 4 lakh some 4.3%, and 2002 likewise we predicting up to this one. This is our overall process. Finally we predicting the future result also. Thank you.